Sometimes it becomes very difficult for me to make videos. As you can see, today I came out of my village for making this video, for sharing my thoughts with you all. And what's happening? There are some people who just like irrigating their field, and because of that there is too noise in background. And I think it is not like disturbing you all like that, whatever I'm just like expecting. And let's keep it side and let's focus on our topic, whatever we are about to talk, whatever we are about to explain. So let's talk about that. And guys, you should try to inspire with myself. Why I'm just saying like this? If I want to stop myself in this time, because of that there is too noise, and because of that I can make excuses, because I can say with myself there is too noise, because of that my video will not make well. Like this I'll make excuses, then after I'll stop myself for speaking. So that would be my fault, and I don't want to feel like that, and I don't want to do like that. Because of that I'm still making, and I'm gonna tell you all about this language. So guys, if you are a beginner who just about to start his journey of English speaking from the scratch, so listen carefully. Whatever I'm just gonna tell you, it's going to be very helpful for you all. Whatever, so listen carefully, whatever I'll tell you in this video. So guys, if you are a beginner, as I told you all, like it's going to be very helpful for you all, so listen. So guys, if you are trying to improve your fluency, if you are trying to improve your English speaking, so there are a lot of influencers are just available there, and who just talking about their methods, who just talking about their technique for improving this language, for becoming a confident speaker, for becoming fluent speaker in this language. And they are just providing their method, they are just sharing their thoughts, and they are just sharing their opinions to learn this language. What you all are doing, you all are just trying to implement all the thing from every influencer, from everyone who just guiding to you all for learning this language. And I'm just providing you all, and I'm just telling to you all about my perspective, like whatever I have faced. I'm just talking about those things only. I'm not talking about any other thing which is written anywhere. And I'm just telling to you all, no my friend, I'm just trying to express myself, and I'm just trying to share my thoughts on this language to how to improve. So guys, and you should not do like that. And what you are doing, you all are just like following every influencer who just trying to make you all understand, and who just trying to make you all aware for this language, to learn this language. And what you all are doing, you all are just following every steps from every influencer who just like trying to guide you about this language. And what you are doing, you all are just trying to implement each and every techniques in your journey. Guys, if you are doing like this, so stop it, stop doing like this. If you will still doing like this, then you will not improve like that, and you will be zero, and you can't improve like that if you will just trying to, if you are just trying to implement all the thing. So stop it. Just like just select any one guide and just start following his method. I'm not talking about mine, and I'm not telling to you all, and I'm not recommending to you all just follow me. Wherever you are just like listening, wherever you are just like feeling like it is good for me, and I can apply this, and I can implement all the thing in my journey, and it's looking so comfortable for me, and I can do, and I can invest my time while doing all the technique and for like improving. So just go there without thinking, just go and jump for that, and just like start implementing all the thing. I know guys, you are facing a lot of problems while speaking. I know guys, and I can understand your feelings. You are making a lot of mistakes while speaking. And why it's happening? Why? Because listen guys, you are a beginner in this language, and you are about to start from the scratch. Then it is quite obvious for you all, like you will make mistakes, and you should not be worried about that. Why are you always still like that? Like making mistakes, it is not a big thing, it is not your weakness, it's the biggest strength of every beginners who just trying to learn this language, who just trying to speak fluently English. So it is very good for you all. You should not be worried about that. Because listen guys, and just try to understand, like you have been speaking Hindi language since your childhood, and now you have decided that you'll have to speak another language. How can you expect from yourself like you'll not do mistake in your beginning? You want to speak very perfectly from your beginning, from the first stage. You want to speak fluently from your first day. It is not possible my friend. Just try to understand. Because of that, I'm just trying to tell you all. And first thing, you should not be worried about that. And it is quite obvious for you all. Like, you'll make mistake and you'll break sentences and you'll feel ashamed and you'll hesitate while speaking. Everything will happen with you all. And it is necessary for every beginners who just like trying to understand who just trying to learn this language. Every mistakes and every problems he will face in his journey. In this starting, you should not think too much about those things. What you just need to do, you just only need to keep practicing. You just only need to believe in yourself. You just only need to be consistent for that. That's enough. You'll have to do only this thing. And guys, just do practice as much as possible for you all. Like, why I'm just saying like this, listen, and just like listen, if once you have decided that like you'll have to learn this language and you'll have to be fluent in this language, then you should not think about any other thing. You should not take your step back from learning this language. You should not disappoint your own self. Like, if once you have decided that I'll have to do this, and do that until you achieve that. Just keep doing those things. And this is how you can learn this language. And it is most important thing while learning English language, like consistency. Consistency plays a vital role in your speaking, in your learning this language. Why I'm just saying like this? Because listen, my friend, if you really want to speak this language, then you'll have to be consistent. Why I'm just saying like this? Listen. And if I told you, my friend, about consistency, how I was and how I maintain my consistency towards this English language, how how I was speaking and like how I was doing practice. Listen, my friend, I didn't skip any single day without doing practice. When I started from that day, I'm still doing, and I'm too consistent for this language. And I always do practice each and every day. And I just made this habit of doing practice every single day. If I'll not do practice, then I'll feel something is missing from my life, and I'll have to do that. This is how I just improve myself. This is how I just make consistency for this language. And you'll have to do only that thing. So for becoming consistent, like doing practice continuously without skipping a day, and you'll have to realize that, and you'll have to make this habit of doing practice every single day. This is how you can improve, and that is the way you'll have to go through. And the next thing I would like to tell you all, don't expect early result. Don't rush for that situation and you are just trying to speak very fluently in less time. Somewhere you just heard from any influencer like you'll have to you can get your fluency within 1 month. How it is possible? Just think with your own self. How it is possible for you to become a confident speaker, to become a fluent speaker in this language in only 30 days? How it is possible? They are just trying to make you all fool. You can't do this and you can't become fluent. Yeah, you can learn something little bit within 30 days. It is not possible for those students. It is not possible for that beginner for becoming a fluent speaker within 1 month. So try to realize with your own self like how it is possible. So what I'm trying to tell you all, you don't need to expect early result from your journey. Just try to be focused for that. And guys, let me tell you, like English language only demands practice. The more you will do practice, the more you will become confident, the more you will become fluent. That's it. And don't expect early result. And like English language takes time, and it will take. Okay, so don't think about your result. Just try to focus on your practice. Just try to focus on your techniques for improving this. So that's it. This is how I just improve, and you can also improve this. So guys, that's all for that, and I hope you have got something valuable from this video. Just trying to make you all understand, and I'm just trying to make you all aware for this language. And this is how I'm just telling to you all about my techniques, like whatever I just implemented. And if you will try to implement, and if you will try to do, and if you will try to be focused for this thing, then you can be fluent speaker, then you can be a confident speaker while speaking this. And just whatever I just told you, just remember those things. So guys, this is all for today, and we will meet in another video. So for this time, take care, bye bye.